Hey friends, thank you for being here. Today I want to flip two thrifted linen items that were previously my favorite and now they are not so much my favorite, but we're gonna fix that, I hope. The first one is this pink vintage linen skirt. I thrifted this last year. When I got it, I thought, I can remove this floral embroidery situation, which you can see I've already removed a lot of it. And then I removed one flower and it took forever. And I thought, you know, it's not so bad. And then I realized, no, it's that bad. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is finishing removing this embroidery. The second thing that I'd like to do is try to change the color. I like pink, but this pink to me is a little bit too vibrant. I'm hoping that with bleach, fingers crossed, we can get a nice, maybe kind of blush, pale pink tone out of this. So we shall see. The second piece, it's actually not 100% linen. This is a linen cotton blend. Thrifted this last year also. This is from Madewell. I'm hoping to make it work even for maternity situation. Obviously have a little bump going on, but I've noticed some cute outfits of people tying the shirts above your bump. Got maybe a little dress underneath. So I want to make this work. My main problem with this is just, again, the colors are pretty vibrant. I'm hoping to tone it down. So Bleach, please work your magic. If that goes well, I also want to remove the collar here to give it just a little bit of a different look. Just keep this part of the collar and remove kind of the classic collar. So let's do this. You guys, I am so glad to be shooting this right now because honestly, I feel like this project turned into a little bit of a marathon. I bleached the skirt 2 times. Also, taking out the embroidery, as expected, took hours. I honestly cannot wait any longer. I have to show you. Here's how they turned out. So there you have it. I'm super pleased with how the shirt turned out. I'm gonna wear that a ton. I can tell even after maternity situation is over. I am pretty pleased with this skirt. You may have noticed I did end up with a little bleach spot in the front, which is a bummer. But either I'm gonna live with it because I love this skirt, or maybe I'll bleach it again. Who knows? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more of my everyday life, follow me on Instagram @thestrongwillow. Don't forget to subscribe. And guys, I just hope this video inspires you to transform a piece of clothing in your closet and do something creative to make yourself love it again. That would be awesome because that's the most sustainable way to be. And it's fun. Wow, it's getting really bright. You guys are awesome. So, bye!